In the world of fitness, the debate between free weights and cable machines rages on. Both tools offer unique advantages for building muscle and enhancing athletic performance. Understanding the strengths of each is crucial for designing a well-rounded and effective fitness routine. This essay will delve into the characteristics of free weights and cable machines, exploring their impact on muscle engagement, athletic improvement, and suitability for different individuals. By examining the biomechanics, joint stress, and practical considerations of each, we can determine the best approach for maximizing gains and achieving fitness goals. Free weights, encompassing dumbbells, barbells, and kettlebells, reign supreme in engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Unlike machines that isolate specific muscles, free weights demand the recruitment of stabilizer muscles to maintain balance and control throughout an exercise. This full-body engagement leads to greater overall strength and power development, crucial for both athletic performance and everyday activities. Compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, and presses form the cornerstone of free weight training. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, mimicking natural movement patterns and stimulating significant muscle growth. The ability to perform these functional movements with free weights translates directly to improved athleticism, enhancing coordination, balance, and real-world strength. Free weight exercises, by their very nature, require the body to control movement in multiple planes of motion. This multi-planar training enhances functional strength and stability, making everyday activities like lifting groceries or playing with children easier and less prone to injury. The benefits of free weights extend far beyond the gym, improving overall movement quality and athleticism in various aspects of life. Beyond their effectiveness in building muscle and enhancing athleticism, free weights boast significant advantages in terms of cost and space efficiency. Compared to their cable machine counterparts, free weights are generally more affordable, making them accessible to a wider range of fitness enthusiasts. This affordability makes them an attractive option for both home gyms and commercial fitness facilities. Space considerations often factor into fitness equipment choices, particularly for home gyms. Free weights require minimal space, with a simple set of dumbbells and a barbell offering a comprehensive workout in a compact area. This space efficiency makes them ideal for individuals with limited workout space, allowing them to achieve their fitness goals without sacrificing valuable square footage. The versatility of free weights extends beyond their compact size. With a simple adjustment of grip or body positioning, a single set of dumbbells can be used to target a variety of muscle groups. This adaptability eliminates the need for multiple machines, further maximizing space and minimizing equipment costs. Section 4. Precision Power. Cable machines for targeted gains. Cable machines, while differing in their mechanism of resistance, offer a unique set of advantages for muscle growth and overall fitness. Unlike free weights, which rely on gravity for resistance, cable machines utilize cables and pulleys to provide a consistent force throughout the entire range of motion. This consistent resistance, often referred to as constant tension, is particularly beneficial for maximizing muscle fiber recruitment and promoting hypertrophy or muscle growth. One of the key advantages of cable machines lies in their ability to isolate specific muscles. This isolation allows for targeted training, effectively addressing muscle imbalances or focusing on specific areas for aesthetic goals. Bodybuilders and individuals seeking to sculpt specific muscle groups often favor cable machines for their precision in isolating and maximizing the development of individual muscles. The controlled environment of cable machines makes them an excellent option for beginners or individuals recovering from injuries. The fixed range of motion and adjustable resistance provide a safe and effective way to build strength without the risk of dropping weights or losing control. Section 5. Biomechanics and joint stress. Choosing the right tool. Understanding biomechanics is crucial for selecting the right tool for exercises and individual needs. Free weights build strength but can limit natural movement patterns. Barbell exercises may restrict wrist movement, while cable machines offer a greater range of motion and adjust to individual biomechanics. This reduces joint strain, making them safer for those with joint issues. The choice depends on the exercise and individual preferences. Section 6. Practical considerations, versatility versus control. Practical considerations such as versatility and ease of use also factor into the choice between free weights and cable machines. Free weights, with their adaptability and wide range of applications, offer unparalleled versatility. A single set of dumbbells can be incorporated into countless exercises, targeting different muscle groups and adapting to various fitness goals. This versatility makes them ideal for functional training, mimicking real-life movements and enhancing overall athleticism. Cable machines, while potentially lacking the boundless versatility of free weights, excel in providing a controlled and predictable exercise environment. The fixed range of motion and adjustable resistance allow for precise adjustments, making them ideal for beginners or individuals recovering from injuries. The controlled environment minimizes the risk of improper form or accidental injury, providing a safe and effective workout. The choice between versatility and control often depends on individual preferences and training experience. Seasoned lifters may gravitate towards the freedom and adaptability of free weights, while beginners or those seeking a more structured approach might find comfort in the controlled environment of cable machines. Section 7. The winning formula. Combining free weights and cables for optimal results. Maximize muscle growth by incorporating both free weights and cable machines into your routine. Free weights build overall strength and power through compound movements. Cable machines target specific muscles with consistent resistance. Combining both methods offers unique benefits for a balanced workout. Start with compound movements like squats and deadlifts. Follow with isolation exercises on